Hi everybody, this is Melissa from the library, and I'm here to show you show you a really fun craft to do. And it's actually a part of our Tween DIY kit this week. So I thought it would be really fun to make a snow globe. In each of the kits, you're going to have a plastic snow globe as well as some other materials to make your snow globe. And since it's a really easy kind of craft to do, I thought it would be also really fun to include another really fun thing, which is a super cute snowflake using a muffin tin can, which I thought was kind of cute. So here's kind of like an example of what it is, kind of like a 3D thing. It's so adorable. And what you can also do, I'm going to include also a piece of string, so if you want to hang it or put it on your wall or whatever you'd like. So yeah, so let's get started first with our snow globe. You're going to need some water in your snow globe. So your snow globe should have, so if you take the top off, the top will actually have the tree already on it that you're going to put it, because I'm going to glue it for you, so because it is kind of tough. So all you do is you want to fill up these little snow globe till like around up to here with water, just plain water. It doesn't matter if it's cold, warm, or whatever, just not really hot. So yeah, fill it up to there, and then in one of your containers inside your kit, you're gonna have clear glue. So what you want to do is you want to put in that clear glue in there, and you're just gonna want to dump it all in there. So yeah, just dump it all in. So there it is. Whoop. Okay, there we are. And then what you want to do is grab the popsicle stick that's inside, and you're just going to want to do this to it. So it's going to look kind of, I don't know, kind of weird inside. So as you can tell, there's some glitter parts in there because I had just did it to make sure in the past to make sure it worked. And then what you're going to do is just going to go like that. And then once you mix it, in another little container inside, you're going to have some glitter inside. And then you don't want to go too crazy with the glitter, because in my experience, when you go too crazy with the glitter, it gets kind of a little bit out of hand and you can't see the little item inside. So what you're going to do is that the little glitter, you're just going to put a little teensy bit. I would say just like about that much. It's not a lot. It's probably like a tablespoon of it or so. You don't want to get too much in there because, like I said, I made the mistake of putting too much when I first did this, and it got a little bit crazy. So, I mean, by all means, if you want to put a little bit more, I think for this one, you could have put in a little bit more and it would have been fine. But for me, for this purpose, I'm just going to leave it as so, because I don't want to go to bed tonight with a bunch of glitter in my hair. It's happened before, So yeah, once you're done with that, you can throw this stick away because I don't think you're gonna need it. Let me try to find a spot to put it because it has glitter on it. Then you want to grab the top. Obviously, you notice that I don't have my tree on it because I don't have the trees yet. But once you're done, you're gonna want to like seal it shut. And this is very important that you seal it nice and shut, because if not, it's gonna come out and then it's not gonna be cool. And then you flip it over, and there you go. Shake it as much as you want, and there is your snow globe. As like I said, it's super easy to do, so I thought that maybe it would be a better idea if I kind of gave you another one. And look at all the little particles from like the time that I messed up is in here. So I love the way this turned out. So yeah, so there's your cute snow globe. You're probably gonna have to stand it like this with your little tree so you can see it. But yeah, there's that. I'm also going to include a dinosaur that I found in the cabinets that you can put in there. You can stick it on or do whichever you want with it, but I thought it'd be a nice little thing to have in there with your snow globe. So yeah, that is the snow globe portion of our craft. The other part of this craft is, like I said, the little tree, the little snowflake. It's super easy. You're gonna have basically these two of these little tin cupcake things, a circle, a white circle that I'm gonna punch out for you guys. So it's gonna look super simple. It's a cute, super 1 inch circle, as well as some snowflakes. So what you're gonna wanna do first is that you're gonna grab your your brown snowflake, which is made on craft paper, cut on craft paper, and then you're just gonna lay it on a table surface. And you're gonna need some glue for this, so the glue stick is fine. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna grab that second snowflake, and it doesn't have to be perfect, just make sure that it's kind of like in the middle. Once it's in the middle, you're just gonna put it like so. And then the next step you're going to do, once that is nice and secured down, just glue this portion of it. You're gonna want to kind of crinkle out your tin foil. And what I would recommend is putting down the glue first on the surface and then putting it down. And you can kind of scrunch it up a little bit, so it kind of gives it more of like a 3D effect, which is kind of what we're aiming for here. And this is kind of where I'm leaving it up to you. You can either, what I have found works for me in the past, is that I cut out I folded it in half, and I cut out the middle portion of it. And it kind of lets you kind of scrunch it up a little bit better. So all you do is kind of just like cut the middle portion like a little circle, and then it allows you to scrunch it up a little bit more. Once you're done with that, you can either, like I said, you have to glue it down and then you're good, or you can also add another layer if you want to. I added 2 of them in there. Once you're kind of done with this step, what you do next is you grab that circle piece that I included and you put it on the top, like right in the middle. And then the last but final step is that each of you guys has, a smaller snowflake, and you want to put it right in the middle kind of as your little decoration. And there you are, there's your 3D snowflake. I would recommend that you make this smaller, or cut out the middle so it can be smaller. And then if you want, you can put a piece of string on it, or you can just hang it on your wall. I'm personally going to hang it on my wall, and I think it's a nice addition, or you can put it on whatever you'd like. It's kind of like a nice decoration to have. And like I said, scrunch it up some more and make it very 3D-esque. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed these crafts.